What's up, bro? So what are we doing today?
We gotta tuck the wiring.
Yeah, you gotta tuck that.
Cause I'm slamming on its balls.
Check out the wing, guys.
I fixed it. I bolted it down.
You bolted. Oh, show him, bro.
So what I did was I got.
Oh my
I got tree
god.
loppers. Got tree loppers.
Yo, that's crazy,
Bro, you
bro.
know what I cut them with?
What?
I cut it with this.
Oh my god, that's loud. Dude, you got backfire. Bro, you got freaking backfire there.
RIP blinker.
Get that hard work in there. Smells like cancer in the garage now. Alright, I got this bulldog. Is this gonna pop down?
No, it's just that's what keeps the fender from shaking.
Oh, okay. That's brand new.
No, it's not. It looks brand new though.
Yeah, it looks good.
She's off.
That shit was age, bro. That shit just fell
Hit
on
my
me.
balls.
It almost hit your balls?
Yeah, no, it did hit my balls.
Oh, that's tough, bro. What are we doing now, bro?
Now we're gonna pull off the fenders and we're gonna tuck the wiring harness.
Bad, bro. We had to
My hands are
unscrew it right here. Yeah, my freaking thumb hurts, dude. This man, bro, he said it's not tucked, but as you can see, it's already zip tied.
It's not tucked.
It's gonna hit this shit right here, bro.
It goes on top.
You're gonna have a fucking straight line going through your fucking tire.
Watch out. Move.
I'm gonna laugh at you.
Move.
We got the same clothes. Gang shit.
Are those Japanese ones?
Nah, wait, you got Japanese ones?
Well, they were.
Yeah, my bad, baller.
Hold on. Can you kind of see it?
My bad, baller.
Look, if I lower it, it's still gonna hit it.
Yeah, it's gonna like be smushed.
No, there's clearance.
There's no clearance.
Watch the YouTube videos. That's how they do it.
Alright, we're gonna watch an Illuminate video. Bro, grab the hammer and flathead. Almost max, bro.
We're gonna max it out.
Do you not know how to use them?
Not these. These ones are weird. Didn't we do from here last time?
Move. You fucking. What happened, Brian? Look like I got it.
You're gay.
Looks like I got it.
I hate you.
You know why? Because I have coilovers.
That's why he's a Mustang driver. I have coilovers too.
killer.
Look, tell me this is not. These are coilovers. How can you tell me I don't have coilovers?
Shit, clean
Yeah, they are pretty young. But these are boof. Don't buy these. These are Gretty. Come on, Gretty. You're good company. But why?
Be like that
These
sometimes.
are like butt.
It'd be like that sometimes, guys.
Long enough.
Do that, bud. But it's just gonna be hanging on that one zip tie, right? How are you gonna get the other side?
If I make it tight enough, it will be fine. Bro, it's going through. I don't. It's like just
Here, get it in there and then pull it out with pliers. Make it smooth.
go get. Happen if I.
Niggas iffy up, like you got the stiffy up.
Sending it, boys.
Yellow. Bro, I should just go no blinker. No blinker mod.
Tinker delete. Oh my god. You can't like, I don't know, put some more bolts in here or some shit?
No, I didn't.
Wait, so did one side? That was the good side.
No, that was the bad side.
No, it wasn't. Oh yeah, it was.
This side should fit.
Yeah.
Well, no, when I pulled this side off, it was kind of loose.
Tighten it.
That's what it's supposed to look like.
They'll just stick out.
Honestly, who's gonna care?
We're done. Alright, lower the car.
All right. See us next time.
With me, my own.
Oh crap.
What do you want me to do? Stop, right?
What?
What do you want to do? Stop, right?
Scuff.
You want this?
Sure.
Oh, on your, oh yeah, on the 240?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. I like it.
Don't figure out where you live.
Oh shit, no hands.
Yeah, I used to do 360s and all that.
Rotation,
Yeah,
yeah.
they don't turn that way. Just do,
Yeah,
they go
don't
this
turn that
way.
way, bro.
Well, if you go backwards, it's that way, so I'll just try backwards.
This guy, bro. How you messed that up, Brian?
Bro,
Come on.
you messed it up.
Come
you
on,
put the
bro.
front wheel on.
He said, put this one on you.
I just say fuck.
Ah, this guy.
Bro, that didn't call me stupid.
Oh man, this is gonna go great.
This way, not like that. And you're an idiot for fucking making it into a pyramid. Yeah, that's gonna break.
Oh,
That's
I
why you
think
need
you
to do it
said
like two.
No, when you said 2, I thought you wanted one on top, one on bottom. That did nothing.
Yeah, I mean it put more camber, bro. It give you more camber, but
It's on the ground.
You realize they haven't settled?
Well, we gotta take it off the bricks first, so.
Yeah, but it's still in the ground. It's still like all the way down.
I think you'll be good with the low jack, bro.
Honestly, it looks higher.
You just want to jack up the side skirt and then take out the bricks. Do it that way.
Bro, we're not raising the rears. We're not lowering the rears.
No, I mean bring it back down.
Oh, we got tied in. I totally forgot about that.
Guys, we are now inside my new 240. I traded the TSX for the 240. Got a pristine dash right here. AutoZone shift knob with the non-working lights.
No, those aren't lights. That's a race. That's the actual race shift knob. They have one just like it that has lights in it.
It'd be like that sometimes, guys. Yo, okay, yeah, you're good, you're good. I thought I was gonna get caught underneath the car.
I'm pissed. Oh, that's lower,
It
actually.
hasn't lowered.
Yeah, it didn't even lower that much.
No, it's lowered though.
Yeah, it is lowered, but like.
No, it's not.
But honestly though, like you really can't do anything with the stock body like that though. Make our own lip.
I'm about to get a.
You're wanting those down?
Yeah.
I'll shake it again. Oh shit.
It's not good. Did you? Are you sure you tightened it? Bro,
I didn't. Hey, that side isn't tightened, bro. I didn't do this side. That was his side.
I didn't tighten it.
Nah.
Bro, I said, did you tighten it? Alright, screw it.
This side's pretty good.
Oh yeah, that's solid, dude.
Bro, if we need a zip tie.
No, look. He tightened that side, bro. It's just this side's messed up.
No, it's not.
This that has no bracket right there to go.
No, there's a
into.
bracket. Right
No,
there.
there's not.
It's just not in. You guys didn't.
Nah, not you guys. Austin, bro.
Alright, move your car. We're gonna test this out.
We maxed out the fronts and it barely went down. But hey, I'm digging it. Like, no matter what height it was, it looked really good. We got Austin's Mustang right here. Shit looks sexy. Look at that pristine leather right there. That's a nice shine in there. Good job, bud.
Hey, this wing came off his old car. Just
What's
heads
up?
up. That's what wing was on.
The
Show
crowd
him the
killer.
wing. Same wing as that one.
Same exact wing?
Yeah, same wing. So what I tell you, if you have a 240, go to the junkyard, 99 through 04 Mustang wing, fits like a dream. Well, not really, but
Tell him.
if you got a drift car, it looks good. Alright, you ready? Yeah. We're about to send it. That's why my neighbors don't like me, guys.
And we got no exhaust on. We're in Mexico, baby.
Hey, we're going 20 miles to 30.
Yeah, we're going 20 dudes.
We're in Mexico, by the way, so we took a trip to Mexico. Gotta go, a little side action.
Damn, what a pro.
Hey, you know what it is? Alright, let's hit the TSX. I'm just kidding.
My baby.
What?
Yeah, it looks good from this angle. I love it. I love it.
Stay with me. 真夜中のドアを叩き帰らないでと泣いたあの季節が今目の前 Stay with me 口癖を言いながら
Out to
Wes
my
just
bud.
finally texted me, bro.
What'd you say?
I don't know.
Oh no, he's about to send it. He's about to
Yeah,
send
bro,
it.
hide behind the.
Yeah. Oh shit, my car.
Hey, yeah,
Hey, he didn't hit us though.
Hey, by the way, I live in Mexico, so that's totally legal.
Yeah, totally legal what we were doing. Look at this man's car, bro. It looks so good.
It
It looks really good.
It
I
looks
like
centered
it.
out now. It kind
Yeah.
of looked like it was a little higher in the front.
Looks really good.
Bro, I don't want to fix it. We gotta fix this bumper though. We're not fixing that.
This side?
Yeah, this looks stupid.
I mean, like it's in there, bro, but it's not like loose.
it's a drift car, whatever.
Yeah. I mean, shit, we could zip tie it.
Yeah, but I don't know where it is.
All right, guys, it's time for me to leave.
Yeah, sadly, this is a waste of time.
Yeah, we didn't really do
I
shit.
mean, it looks.
Hey, at least we got your like this side bumper like better, you know.
Yeah, the front, the tires. It looked like it was at first it was like sitting a little bit higher in the front, the rears. Now it looks leveled out now, so
It's whatever.
it's not as low as I want to. Cause I eventually want to get 15s. If it's not even maxing out on 17s, I don't know what I'm gonna do if I get 15s.
Yeah.
So I might probably get new coilovers.
New coilovers?
Yeah, screw Gretty.
Were you going Tanes?
I want BCs.
Ooh, my bad, Barla. Guys, well, it's time to end off the vlog. Remember to like and subscribe to this video. Check out ourgodsclo.com.
Hey, check out my new YouTube channel. I'm
What's
starting
your
one.
YouTube channel, bro?
It's Mint Dude.
It's Mint Dude.
It'll be somewhere. I don't know.
Yeah, I'll put it
Somewhere.
like right here, I think. It's out. Hope you have a good day. Peace.
Stay with me.